F6 e-bike. Let's unbox and take a look what is inside. Already. Let's do another unbox. Beautiful day today. DTTZH F6 e-bike. Let's unbox and take a look what is inside. Oh, hydraulic brakes. Oh, they included a nice phone case. Thank you. What is that? Is it glasses? Glasses? Ah, yo, man. With the multiple lens? Come on, man.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Thank you. That's gonna be very happy. Oh, another phone mount. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Toolkit. I was opening just for the toolkit, right? The pedals, charger, another big thank you guys to hook up with the nice lock. Well, what I can say? Any instruction manual we never read.
Are you serious?
Okay, way too late. Only thing we're gonna put together is the handlebar. All right, you're gonna switch this from the back side to the front. You take it off 4 screws. We're gonna link this. And another thing, the axle nuts, it comes with it. I just unpack it and we're gonna just stick it the axle nuts and we're gonna hook the wheels. That's it, pretty much it. By the bracket, this one comes with the headlight, and headlights was another box, so it's gonna be very simple to install. Okay, let me put these one together. Only 4 screws here, and the toolkits also is a lot quality than the previous bikes I unboxed it, because these Allen keys, as you can see, is a long Allen keys. The other ones was a short and was a pain in the ass. Like when you I have a bunch of tools, but when the toolkits comes, I usually use it if it's a nice tools. One from bottom, one from top.
I gotta tie my wheel. Here they got a beautiful trail. I want to show you guys. What's up? Bro, I ain't got the funds.
Oh, look at this battery. It's huge. Look at this. Even you have a NFC touch keys. And 2 keys. And it's not the zip tied actually. Look at this, very first time when you turn on, you have 2 options, right? Enter the passcode or touch your key. Look at the beautiful display right here. All right. So this part is gonna stay there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it back and I'm gonna push it nice and tight. As you can see, front is gonna stay there, doesn't go nowhere. The back side, also the wheels, I'm gonna just align the wheel and 1 click, that's it. This bike doesn't go nowhere. It's only 2 items, you just load it, bum bum, and that's it, it's gonna stay there. So now this is a big wheel one. How I'm gonna load is, again, 2 different way. You can put the rails and you can push the bike as I did on the other video, or what we can do, we can just lift the back, all right, and lift the front. I want to make sure it sits nice and tight. I'm going to roll it a little bit back because I have to tighten the wheel against that the front the wheel holder, right? So So now the same scenario. I push it nice and snug here. All right, that's it. It doesn't go nowhere. Just in case the back, I'm gonna push it one more. That's it. Both bike is loaded, ready to hit the highway. All right, if you just in case develop some kind of squeaking noise on the frame, loud squeaking noise, you will unbolt this one from inside. All right, you wiggle this, so you pull this part right here, and you put red and tacky inside this, and you screw the back. That's it on the both side. That's all. All right, guys. Today in review we have a DTTZH or DTA electric bike. So I'm gonna take this bike to the off-road. I'm gonna ride all the parks, all the areas, long trips, short trips, and I'm gonna give you all my opinion about this bike.
Everything that comes on this bike stock is amazing. I don't even want to know what it'd be like if you upgraded. Like, I think you could upgrade it and make it like your own personalized e-bike. Like if you put $1,000 into it, you could really make it yours and have a real beast. But this thing's stock. Like if you don't want to touch it and just leave it be, this thing comes with everything you need to. Hydraulic brakes. They had, I think this one is a 2,000 watt motor. And they do have a 5,000 watt variant of this motor, which is crazy.
Right away it's right under the $1,000, and of course it comes with a lot of good extras, and also the frame is a lightweight frame than all the bikes I reviewed, a lot lighter frame than all the bikes I reviewed, a lot more power, a lot better brakes, and the huge battery, of course. And usually when I ride here the other electric bikes, those bikes, they're gonna waste around 25 to 30% battery, but this one's until now it's 100% battery life. So this place uphill, on the video, on the camera you cannot see it, but it's actually when you walk up it's going to be a lot challenging, and it goes like that, right? And it's decent uphill. So a lot of electric bikes, they have struggled to go here, but I'm gonna see how this bike is going to be performed. All right, so we're gonna go down and I'm gonna go uphill. That's a lot of hill right there, so I'm gonna go uphill, gotta go down, and we're gonna go around. Let's do it.
So test number 2 for the mini bike. For the e-bike, I meant. Yeah, still goes easily on. You know, I'm still at 100%. And we went riding for I think like a mile or 2. So this thing is, the range is insane.
All right, as you can see, the power is more than enough to actually enjoy the bike, riding any local parks in any areas, right? Doing some off-road, dirt road, and also the brakes are very, very good. I have to readjust this, I have to push this down. And these handlebars, as you can see, wide angle handlebars, so it's gonna make it a lot easier to cruise a lot long trip. Battery is surprisingly long, it's very long. It's phone holders came with it. The brakes are 5 out of 5. Front shock doesn't make a lot of noise. Rear shocks also is upgraded shock, so it gives us a lot more comfortable ride.